Hi, bonjour, c'est Emilie. Welcome back to Emilie TV. If you're new here, hi, now we finally made it through thick and thing. Before we start today's vlog, I want to do a little recap of 2021 with my family, my friend, my subscriber, and people who've given me love and lesson. Thank you for watching my video, including my boring content. Oh wait, I learned something new this year. That is, c'est la vie est belle, things happen for a reason. So see you soon, see you in 2022, adiendo! I will be 20 next year. Bye!
I know I'd go back to you. I know I'd go back to you. I go back to you. Don't say I wasn't sure, but I'd go back to you. You could break my heart in two, but when it heals, it beats for you. I know it's forward, but it's true. Won't lie, I'd go back to you. You know my thoughts are animals. It's just a thing you make me do. And I could fight, but what's the use? I know I'd go back to you.
It's good news! Not a good news, but it's a good news for me. It is an exciting news to share with you because this morning I got an email from an anonymous. I mean, I thought it was from my job, but it's actually from Lilly. She wrote an email saying, Dear Emily, respectfully inviting you to lead Healthy Journey with me in 2022. Please do it as well as follow this routine for 3 months without any excuse. It's time to shine. Kind regards, Lily. I love you, Lily. Seriously, I am so grateful to have Lily as my friend, also as a sister. I have never imagined my life to see someone turning from an internet friend to a lifetime friend. Kind of like a kid from God to me, so I love ya. French kiss. Bisous. Checker.
Đó là đi cái dầu hòa mà phà là trong để dài một cái mẹ bé đi rồi thì làm hơn đâu phải đi xa rồi dài
Vlog, say hi. Hi.
Don't stop the music 왜 멈춰에서 춤추듯 돌아가 Life is a party
这样没得米。这头。
不sống chưa này
Don't you worry 어느새 네가 내 세상
大概多少滴的钱啊？
这是一说
Thank
Never see again. Everybody bet your dog you can all fuck off. And we are all fully vaccinated, so it is all safe and fun. I have to clean my room, and then I have a lot of work to do, mostly assignment. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lynn. So these are the books that I haven't read in 2021. So I will be making a list, and then I will change my habit from spending my time online 24/7 to reading a book once a month. I don't know, I guess, but I am showing you guys these collection. I bought this last year, but I haven't read it yet, so I will be reading these 3 in 2022, so that you can also find online or in store.